guys, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, it's raining, so it's kind of cold. It's raining. I don't know if you can see, but it's wet outside. It's raining, and I think it will rain until Tuesday. So someone will come over here to check up our heater, our water heater, because yesterday when Aunia is about to take a bath, JR noticed that the water is not heating up. So we waited until last night. Hopefully it will heat up. But then he said something is not sparking on the thermostat. I don't know what he's talking about. So we called the plumbing company and they will send over someone today with the name Mason. And right now I'm just waiting for JR to arrive from work. And I'm cooking. I'm cooking bitter melon. Well, bitter melon. What do you want? Sauté bitter melon. While Aunia is doing what she loves to do. Say hi. And she's watching Boss Baby. We just finished eating breakfast. And now I'm preparing for lunch. And here's my bitter melon. I just need some garlic, tomatoes, onions, and eggs, and of course the bitter melon itself, and then some seasoning, whatever you want for your seasoning. But usually I just do some salt and pepper for it. And then I know bitter melon is like, that's why they call it bitter melon, because it's bitter. But my mom used to say to me that the bitter it is, the more nutritious the bitter melon is. So though I don't really like the taste of it, I mean it's nutritious, so might as well eat it. And my mom won't allow me to eat it when she always give it to me whenever we have this before. So my auntie teach me a trick to like lessen the bitterness of the bitter melon, and it's so easy. You just have to put all the chopped bitter melon in a bowl and then soak it with some salt for like 5 minutes, and then soak it again with water. Just wash it out so it won't be that salty, and then that's it. And it works. It really works. I mean, bitter melon it's still bitter, but it's not that bitter anymore. Not like when you didn't soak it. And then I'm just sauteing now the bitter melon and the tomatoes, onions, and garlic. After that, I'll add the egg. I did 5 eggs, and I added some milk just to make it, I know, fluffy. I don't know, but you won't even notice it because it's already sauteed, not by itself. So here's the finished product of my sauteed bitter melon. And as you can see in the background, our dogs are like crying because they want to go out. I'll let them out, but then they'll come in right away because it's raining and they don't really like getting wet. Who does, right? So I'll start my cleaning, and this is Audia's mess. And there. And she's playing and messing. Keep on doing some mess. Okay, cooking. And now I'm just going to tidy up everything. I won't really be doing the cleaning part yet here because we haven't eaten lunch. So I'm just going to clean up whatever it is needs to be cleaning. And as you can see, we have a lot of pots in our stove. The 2 pots are for water because we don't have hot water in our bath. So we just heat some water for us not to freeze or get cold. And that's it. So okay, so JR's here and I'm now preparing our lunch. I'm just crushing some of the bitter melon for Aunia so she won't notice it much. And then the technician for our water heater is here. And an update for that is I think it needs replacing. So it sucks because the price for the whole water heater will be like 1650 for the 50 gallon, and for the 40 gallon is on like 1400 something. But then they will still try to like fix it on Friday. And JR is still talking to the technician about something, and it really sucks. It's really like, for me, it's a bad day because I don't want to spend that much, I'm just going to prepare lunch because I'm starving. a disaster. I know. It's yucky. And it's about time to clean our stove. So this is the product I'm going to be using to clean our stove. It's easy oven cleaner, heavy duty, clean stuff baked on spills quickly, cleans in 5 minutes. I think you can purchase this also from Dollar Tree. It's cheaper. They also have this in Target and some other grocery store. So I just need to like spray it on top of the stove and then let it sit for 5 minutes and then we'll wipe it off. Okay, I'm just going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to wash this one and then the cover. Okay, so I'm done tidying up our kitchen. And right now, I'm using the stove that I cleaned earlier. I'm just heating up some water because, as I said before, our water heater is broken. And the technician said he'll try to fix it so we won't have to replace the whole thing. Hopefully, crossing our fingers for that. But for now, this is what we have to do. And it's really cold right now because it's raining. And that's it. Also, I'm preparing our dinner. This is pork chops. And then for the side, I'm going to saute some bok choy. Bok choy. So, that's it. And hope you guys like this video. And if you want to know the recipe for my saute bitter melon or this saute bok choy, it's so easy. Just let me know and I'll be sure to make a video of it, or I'll just message you how to do it. So see you in our next one. Bye. Stay safe.